Hey there, what's up guys, this is Crypto Mac and we are watching Crypto with Crypto Mac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss a lot about Bitcoin and a lot of things. We are going to discuss about on-chain metrics and lots of news are there and lots of investments are coming to Bitcoin. So we are going to discuss about that and we are also going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin price, whether we are going to dump further more to $16,500 about the next support. So we are going to discuss about that one, or else we are going to get recover from this particular area, which means the trend is going to turn upwards from this particular area. So we have lots of things to discuss, so stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. Let's see the past 24 hours top 10 coins performance. If we see Bitcoin minus 0.6% down, Ethereum minus 0.4% down, XRP minus 2.1% down, we have Bitcoin Cash minus 1.6% down, Litecoin minus 2.3% down, we have Chainlink minus 3.1% down, and Polkadot minus 2.7% down, Cardano minus 1.8% down, and Binance Coin minus 1.1% down. So overall, we have a little bit bearish in the top 10 and some sideways and a little bit bearish. And in terms of past 24 hours top gainers, we don't have much gainers, guys, because 10.3, then we have 9.7, that's all. No gainers at all. And losers, in terms of top past 24 hours, we have the losers also, we can see it is less than 10%, which is not even a losers, but you can say the market is still bearish and little bit sideways movement. So this is all about the market analysis. Now let's see the Bitcoin price. In terms of Bitcoin price, and now we are approaching $18,000 again. It looks like yep, we are approaching $18,000. But the major thing about the major scenario we have to look is we have broken this upward trend, the long-term upward trend. So we have broken, and either it could be a fake out. Sometimes this price can come above this particular trend line, and the Bitcoin will remain bullish after coming above this level. There are also chances. So this is about the previous thing we have discussed. We broken this level, then we broken this level again, and it looks like we are retesting this particular long-term trend line. So if we go to a shorter time frame, now if we see 1 hour time frame, it looks like we are going near this, and whether we are going up, we are going to move above this particular level, this particular line, trend line, or it can retest this level and it can go downwards. So this is the main thing regarding the target. If we take this target, this would bring to $17,200. We haven't came to this level, but one more thing is this support level. This is a crucial support level, and if we retest this level and if we are not going above this level, we can expect the price can easily come to $16,400. So this is one of the important crucial zone, and if we break this particular level, then the crucial zone should be $13,900. So below that, it is not likely to happen, because in terms of weekly time frame, we have been discussing a lot about 21-week moving average. So you can see over here, this 21-week moving average is now at $13,300. So it's moving up and up. And by the end of this week, by the close of this candle is closing on, we have 2 days more. So next candle would be on 14th December. Sorry, that is the close of candle. So this is 7th December candle. So you can see there are 2 days more. So if we close that, which means after this close of this particular candle, we can expect this particular level of 21-week moving average to come further above to this level, so which would come up to around $13,800. At that time, it would be reasonable if we jump from this level, because we know the importance of 21-week moving average. This has been a huge support during all the previous bull runs. So this is the major thing about Bitcoin price. So now if we look at the chart, we looks a little bit bearish, and let's see how it goes, because this, now you can see over here. So this is one of the, if we draw a line from down heading downwards by connecting this level, and sometimes this can break this and touch this, and it can form a and it can come back and forming a wick. then it can drop down. So there are several things. If it is really breaking this level, and if it is again moving above this level, then it is a bullish trend. So let's see how it goes and whether it is going to retest or retest and drops down. Let's see whether how it goes in the future videos. So this is all about the Bitcoin technical analysis. Now let's see some of the news. And first is we are going to discuss about this one, that is Bitcoin won't drop to $12,000 again due to these reasons. So let's see what are the reasons. So you can see Glassnode data indicates a positive investment ratio for Bitcoin and confidence in the current price of Bitcoin. So Glassnode is an on-chain. It is providing on-chain metrics. It's one of the website which is providing on-chain metrics, and the Glassnode data indicates a positive investment ratio for Bitcoin and the confidence in the current price of Bitcoin. The chances Bitcoin will drop to $12,000 again is considered very unlikely by the analysts. So this is about the on-chain data, but if you see technically also, we have lots of things that is at $13,800, which won't allow the price of Bitcoin to go below that $13,800, because we know about this particular support level, and we know about the particular 21-week moving average support level. So these are the important support level that is staying above $12,000. These are the two important crucial levels. So regarding technical analysis also, it is not possible. It is not likely to go beyond $13,800 maybe. And you can see over here, Trader Joe's Rager shows the confidence in Bitcoin price confidence in BTC price current levels. In this most recent analysis, Rager estimates that the price is unlikely to drop to $12,000. The cryptocurrency continues to move in higher low levels. Investors should watch closely $18,800 as a main support. It actually, while writing this blog, it was around $18,100, but we broke below that level, and now we are approaching again the $18,100. Let's see whether it might be a retest of this particular level, or we are going to break this and we are going to be remaining bullish trend. So that's a major thing. And you can see over here what he is mentioning is this is a Glassnode report, and it's a Bitcoin reserve risk. Bitcoin is in its green zone in the reserve risk metric. So it's a reserve risk metric, and you can see the Bitcoin is in the green zone. This indicates that investors are still confident that Bitcoin will maintain its current price range, as the image below shows. So if the price of the Bitcoin is in this particular green zone, not the price, if this indicator is in the green zone, then what it is mentioning is the investors are still confident, so that Bitcoin will move further upwards. The above metric also indicates the Bitcoin reward to risk ratio is attractive to enter a long position, and also this also indicates the reward to risk ratio for the Bitcoin, which is attractive to enter a long position. Furthermore, Glassnode concludes that there is an increase in the coin days destroyed, that is CDD metric, indicates the long-term investors are generating an increase in selling pressure that is pushing the Bitcoin price downward. Because of this indicator, what they are saying is some of the long-term investors are creating some selling pressures that would make the price of Bitcoin even volatile. And whales accumulate, it is a supply crisis brewing. Another bullish argument that the Bitcoin whales and their current sentiment, according to Twitter analyst NFT Maximalist, whales on Bitfinex are in accumulation phase. So this is these things are indicating the accumulation phase of Bitcoin. Therefore, the estimates Bitcoin will probably able to maintain its current price range. And another thing, and these are some of the reasons. Another reason is that institutional investors and companies like MicroStrategy, PayPal, Grayscale seem to be frenzied to acquire Bitcoin. In that sense, Coin Corner CEO Danny Scott sees an increasing trend in the number of Bitcoin being withdrawn from the exchanges. So this is one of the bullish indicator, because the number of Bitcoins which is withdrawn from the exchanges indicates the bullish trend, because you can buy and sell the Bitcoin only in the exchanges, only through exchanges, unlike other, for example, ERC20 tokens. But Bitcoin, in terms of Bitcoin, you have to use the exchanges in order to buy and sell. So if some of the whales or if some of the investors are moving the Bitcoin from the exchanges, which indicates they are going to hold the Bitcoin. So it is one of the bullish indicator. Scott estimates about 700 million have been removed off exchanges with this last week. If this trend continues, this would be undoubtedly have a positive long-term impact on the price of Bitcoin. So these are the important reasons that Bitcoin will not, Bitcoin is unlikely to go below $12,000. And we have discussed about this particular technical also, why it is not unlikely to move below $12,000. That's a major thing. And let's see whether it is retesting or not before this video ends. And next news is what we are going to discuss is this one. So it insanely bullish. The Glassnode CTO predicts Bitcoin price will rise 10x from here. So this is Glassnode. Raphael Schulze-Kraft has shared several on-chain metrics that believes suggest Bitcoin will comfortably charge into six-figure price threshold in the future. So it can do 10x from here, and he is mentioning some of the indicators that is showing bullish trend, which is some of the trend which is shown bullish during the past Bitcoin bull cycle, and he is comparing with that particular trend. So Chief Technical Officer, that is the CTO of crypto market data aggregator Glassnode, Raphael Schulze-Kraft has described a slew of Bitcoin market indicators as insanely bullish and predicted the price are set to increase by more than 10 times. So what are the things he is discussing? One of the thing is this one Bitcoin long-term holder MVRV. So you can see over here in this image clearly, and he is indicating, this is the one of the metrics, that is MVRV, 7-day moving average, and you can see over here this is during the 2017 Bitcoin bull run, and at this time the Bitcoin breaks the previous cycle's all-time high. So it broke this particular level at this area. At that time you can see this indicator was staying around here. After breaking this particular all-time high, the price went 1340%. So you can see over here 1340%, and this indicator also staying from at this level, and it went to this red area, then it drops after after reaching $20,000. We have dropped significantly. So now also in this if you see, now we are still in this area, which means we are transitioning from a green area to this particular level, and if we are quite in this particular area where we went parabolic after this level. So after breaking this, we can expect some parabolic movement in Bitcoin. So you can see over here, after breaking this, we went significantly high, and price also went 1340% quickly. So like this, if you are breaking this level, and at that time if you are breaking this level, this particular price, that is Bitcoin, will also break this all-time high, and after that it can go parabolic. So this is one of the indicator is showing. And another indicator is this one, that is Bitcoin price gained 1400% to its peak as Nupal ascended from its current level to all-time high in 2017. So Nupal is an full form is net unrealized profit and loss. So this is one of the important indicator, and I think it's okay. Let's have a look on this. Okay, so this is one of the important indicator, Nupal, and you can see over here once it turned, and this is one of the indicator when we have to be too cautious. If the price is at the top, it is used to find the price, whether the price is at the top or not, whether the Bitcoin is going to top out or not. You can see over here, once this Nupal reaches this zone after 0.75, which is blue color zone, it will drop significantly. You can see over here, after reaching this level, we had a huge crash. This is a tremendous crash. Then we've approached this particular level during this area. Then we dropped significantly. Then during the past 2008-17 cycle, we dropped from we went from here. During that, the price was around, I think, $200. And we went upwards, and once it touches the blue level, that is the all-time high, that is $20,000, and then we dropped significantly. Now we are again approaching this green area. We have transitioned from yellow to green, and we are at the same area where Bitcoin went parabolic of 1400%. So we are here, and we can expect this 1400% if we are doing the same 1400%, and he is showing some of the price target using different metrics. And you can see over here, after breaking this, we can expect some huge movement in Bitcoin chart, and this indicator is very much useful in order to find the whether the price is topped out or not, because the blue zone indicates euphoria, which is greed, which is the maximum greed. So after that, what will happen? We know that most of them are in the profit, so they will be selling to realize the profit. That is how it works. So this indicator will be very much useful for whether the Bitcoin is topped out or not. and now it is in this stage, that is the green color stage, and if it goes above 0.75, it will be topped out, it will be in the topped out region. So let's see how it goes and when it goes, and at that time how the price of the Bitcoin will be. So this is 1400%, and if the same scenario played out in 2017, if the same scenario played out, the craft estimates the Bitcoin price could reach actually point, that is $286,000 in this cycle. So $286 can be possible. That's a major thing. And if this 1400 happens, but it is we don't know actually whether it is going to happen or not, but he is comparing with the previous cycle. So if this happens, we can expect $286,000. And another one indicator is Bitcoin market cap to thermocap ratio, which accesses the Bitcoin's price premium related to the miner expenditure. So this is indicates the Bitcoin's price along relative to the miner's expenditure. So there will be a consumption of current during mining process, and it will consume it will create lots of expenses. So this indicator, what it will do is it will compare both the thing, that is Bitcoin price and the miner's expenditure. So which is currently sitting at just 1 quarter of 2017 high. In 2017, Bitcoin price gained 625% as the metric rose to all-time high, suggesting Bitcoin could go $138,000 in the future. So if you see this indicator, and if this is compared with the 2017 cycle, the price can reach this price, that is $286,000. If we compare this particular indicator, the price can reach $138,000. And next is Bitcoin MVRV score, which identifies when the Bitcoin is over or undervalued relative to the fair value. So it is whether this indicates whether the Bitcoin is over or undervalued. According to this indicator, according to the same thing that has happened in 2017, which is of 1150% gain, and Bitcoin can reach $240,000 each. So these are the different scenarios. Another one is long-term holder MVRV. According to this and comparing to the past 2017 cycle, you can see with the price of Bitcoin having gained 1340% and 1620% alongside these metrics in 2017, which if it happens in this particular cycle, it could bring the price of Bitcoin to 274,000 or 328,000 in the future. And next one is reverse risk. This is used to assess the confidence of long-term holders related to the Bitcoin price. So it indicates the confidence of long-term holders, which also suggests the coming price high of $240,000. So these are some of the scenarios that can happen. It looks like you can see here 240,000. Here this indicator brings to 274,000, 240,000 again, and this is 138, and here it is 286. It is likely, if you are comparing all the things and if you are taking average of these things, we can expect the price would come up to 250,000. That is the scenario, that is the average scenario of these indicators, showing these indicators. And also he added the main thing is you can see over here. However, Kraft Schultz argued his followers to take these numbers with a grain of salt, which means it can happen, or it may or may not happen. That's a major thing. It can also happen, but who knows? Everything can change also. So these are some of the indicators and some of the some of a prediction of prices, but it can also happen. It may not also happen. So these are the things you can have a look on in order for the Bitcoin bull run. So that is all about this news. And next, what we are going to see is on one more thing. That is this one. You can see over here, 100 million Bitcoin buy from life insurance giant could be the biggest crypto news of 2020, says Mike Nogarts. So 100 million Bitcoin, $100 million of Bitcoin has been bought by a life insurance giant. Life insurance giant Mass Mutual is purchasing a hefty allocation in Bitcoin, acquiring a minority stake in the Bitcoin institutional investment solution from NYDIG. So this is bought, you can see through OTC, through outside, not in the market. If it is bought in the market, the price of Bitcoin would be going much more higher. It is bought outside OTC. But now you can see most of the institutions are they are coming one by one and they are investing, they are buying lots of Bitcoins. So they are making a huge investment in Bitcoin and crypto industries. These are the things, if they ban the Bitcoin, there would be a huge loss for these stocks, and it would crash the stock market also. Once once lots of companies started to invest in Bitcoin. So this is the you can say this is a trailer, and in 2021 we can expect lots of companies saying they are invested in Bitcoin and other crypto assets. So 2021 would be a great time for Bitcoin and other things, and keep this also in the mind. There are lots of regulations are about to come, and about for self custody wallets you need KYCs. So there are lots of regulations are about to come for Bitcoin. It is one of the good news and it is one of the bad news also. Maybe some in terms of self hosted wallet and in terms of regulations, it would be very much difficult for them to use DeFi everything. So that is one of the thing. And Bitcoin, very much expected news is Bitcoin ETF can come in the next year. So that is one of the important thing which will bring lots of institutional players into Bitcoin. So that there are huge things that are going to come in the next year. We can expect lots of updates and lots of regulations for Bitcoin also. So let's hope the best, and finally let's have a look on this one, whether it is retesting or not. Now if you see, it looks like we are just retesting this level, but we haven't broke this level above. You can see over here, after touching this we are dropping a little bit, but we don't know whether it go after this close of this candle only we can know whether it is retested, and then we will be having some significant drop towards this level. So that's all for this video, and hope you like this video. These are some of the metrics we have to follow during the Bitcoin bull runs. There are lots of indicators there, so we'll be updating these in the upcoming videos also. So that's all for this video, and hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.